students. I hope you are doing good today. Welcome to Cradle2Harvard online class. My name is Mr. Chris Agbo, and I'll be your mathematics teacher. Today we shall be looking at the topic factorization. Now, by the end of this class, you should be able, 1, to remove bracket from algebraic expression, and 2, also to be able to factorize algebraic expression by taking common factors. Now let's go to the lesson proper. Removing brackets. The expression 3 into bracket 4x minus y means 3 times of 4x minus y. Let's look at example 1. It says remove bracket from the following. We can solve it. Solution. The A. It says 3 into 4x minus y. You multiply the 3 by the O bracket. We have 3 times 4x minus 3 times y. 3 times 4x will give us 12x. We'll pick our minus sign and then we'll say 3 times y, which will give us 3y. And if you look at the expression on the board, you'll see that we can't solve further anymore, which means this is our answer. Why? Because both terms are in unlike terms. Now let's look at the B part of it. B says n plus 9 all multiplied by 3. We still apply the same method we used in solving the first one. What does that mean? It means we say n times 3. Pick the plus sign. 9 times 3. That is to say, everything in the bracket multiply the 3 outside the bracket. N times 3 will give us 3n. Bring our plus sign. 9 times 3 will give us 27. Now if you look at what is on the board, you will see that this is our final answer. Why? Because 3n and 27 are unlike terms. And this is the solution of which I just finished solving. Let's look at the next objective we want to achieve, which is common factors. We are looking at finding the HCF, the highest common factor of algebraic expression. Look at example 2. It says find the HCF of 8pq and 24p squared. We can solve this way. PQ. What are the factors of APQ? It's simply 8 times P times Q. We go to the next one. 24P squared. 24P squared. What are the factors of 24P squared? We'll have it as 3 times 8 times P times P. Now looking at these two expressions on the board, you will see that the highest common factor between these two terms, which means the two terms, what the two terms have in common are, we'll have 8 here, so we'll say 8, and then we'll have P, we'll say times P. 8 times P in algebra is equals to 8P, and this becomes our final answer. I hope you understand what is on the board. All right, let's go ahead. Now, this is the solution of which a problem we just finished solving right now. And then in summary, the first thing you should know and you should carry at the back of your mind is this. To factorize an expression is to write it as a product of its factor. Don't forget that. The second one says algebraic factors may be numerical or a combination of numbers and letters. And don't forget, when you hear the word numerical, it means numbers. And when you hear the word alphabet, it means letters. And then finally, say, for example, 1, 2, 3, 6, A, 2A, 3A, 6A, X, 2X, 3X, 6X, AX, 2AX, 3AX, and 6AX are all factors of 6 ax. I want you to try this at home. Haven't listened to our classes, haven't attended the class today. I would like you to try this at home as an assignment. Number 1 says, remove the bracket from the following. A minus 6 into bracket 2a minus 7b. The B part of number 1 says 5p into 9r minus 8s. Then number 2 says find the HCF of the following. A says 13ab and 26b. While the B part says 10ax squared and 14a squared x. With this, we come to the end of today's class. I believe you had a wonderful time. I look forward to seeing you in our next class. Don't forget, you must always practice your mathematics. Very, very important. Thank you and have a lovely day.